Hi, first graders. Today we're going to review what humans, animals, and plants need to survive. Are you ready to discover some exciting things? Let's get started. So, we are going to briefly review the article that we read in our Google Classroom from Edpuzzle. I'm going to show you very quickly where that is in case you want to read it again in order for you to do this little project that I want you to do. Very fun project that I want you to do, okay? So let me go show you the Google Classroom. It's here in the Google Classroom. So basically you go to, this is your Google Classroom. Everybody knows how your Google Classroom is. And this is the assignment that I posted on Edpuzzle, okay? So yeah, that's one. Before I get into the project, I want to briefly review what was in the material in the reading. So we know that humans, animals, and plants are all living things that require specific things to live. Let's start with humans, okay? What do we as humans need to survive? Humans, we know that we need food, water, and shelter to survive. We also need a balanced diet, or part of the food is having a balanced diet of fruit, vegetables, grains, and proteins, which it could come from different vegetables, or it could come from meat or fish. Water helps our body hydrate our organs so they could function properly. Organs is the things that are inside of us, like the heart, the stomach, the kidneys. Those are the things that we have inside. Water is very, very important. That's why I continuously say, let's drink lots of water, because it keeps our organ working properly. Now, the shelter is like a fancy word for a place where we could stay at, we could sleep, where we go home to. It provides a safe and comfortable place for us to live, okay? So that's a little brief description of what humans need. Now, what do plants need? There's only 3 things that plants need. They're to survive. There's only 3 things that they need to survive. They need sunlight, they need water, and they need nutrients from the soil. They get it from the soil. It's not like us that we eat. They get it from the soil, okay? So sunlight helps plants make their own food. Water helps transport that nutrients throughout the plants, and then the soil provides the mineral and nutrients so they could grow big. So they could grow really, really big. Now, animals, they're kind of similar to us. Animals need food, water, and shelter to survive. Different animals they eat different kind of foods. But all animals need water to drink, and they need a shelter in order for them to be protected from bad weather, from predators, and other type of dangers, okay? So in a summary, plants need sunlight, water, and nutrients. Animals need food, water, and shelter. And human needs food, water, and shelter too, okay? So for the project, I haven't posted it in our Google Classroom, but I will post it after I record the video. So this is how it looks like, okay? I'm going to show you very, very quickly how it looks like. Here it is. This is the project. You have 3 sheets here, right? One for plants, one for animals, and one for humans, okay? Each of them are kind of similar, right? So for the plant, I want you to either draw, you guys know how to do that, or I want you to add a picture of what does a plant needs to survive. After you do that, as many pictures as you can, you're going to pick 1 or 2 pictures, whatever you want, and you're going to write me 1 or 2 sentences of the item that you selected. So if I here's the plant. So let's say that I put the sun, right? So what I would do is that I will write about the sun, and I will say, why is it important that the plants have sun, right? So I'll write a sentence of why is it important. The same thing with animals and the same things with human, okay? So then next time, give me 1 second. So the next time when we get together, we're going to share what we wrote and what we learned, okay? So remember, you either add a picture or you could draw a picture. It doesn't matter to me. Be creative. Be super creative, okay? So I hope you enjoyed the learning about what we need to survive and have fun with the project, okay? I see you next week.